Check it out, we got another e-bike to review. This one's gonna be by Lectric e-bikes, our favorite brand. This one's gonna be the XPeak. I teased it in a video a long time ago. Since then, we had to review a ton of bikes, so we're finally getting to this one. This is gonna be a mountain bike style e-bike, so not a folding e-bike like we're used to. Something a little different, so we're definitely gonna have to take this on some trails. Let's go ahead and take it out the box and see what's inside. All right, check out the packaging. Lectric always is doing something unique. Here's the handlebars. Check it out, it looks like we do have hydraulic brakes. That's dope. How do we get this freaking bike out though? Check it out, Lectric has this full like unboxing experience if you guys want to like do it for yourself. So you can scan this one to watch the first ride video to guide you through the unboxing process, which I'm not going to watch. And then here's a QR code to the owner's manual. Super creative, super thoughtful for people that's getting like their first bike. Me, I've assembled these 100 times at this point, so we're just going to get right to it. You know what I just noticed? Lectric doesn't use any plastic. I think that's on purpose. I think they're trying to go green. So a lot of this stuff is like paper and strings. I recently saw that Lectric partnered with Mr. Beast. He's like the biggest YouTuber on YouTube right now. And they were giving out like 100 or maybe even like 200 e-bikes in Africa. I thought that was pretty crazy. I feel like Lectric is always trying to like take it a step further. Oh, that sucks. Check it out. The bike comes with a nice big headlight. You never really see headlights this big on mountain bike style e-bikes. Normally this would be on like a moped style e-bike or a folding e-bike. The fact that they have one this big on this bike, this is like serious business. Oh yeah, this is gonna be quality right here. I can already tell. What is this? Oh, this is super sick. This is a Renegade RST fork. Not sure what it is, but it looks like it's really good quality. It has an adjustment knob right here. It also has like a preload adjustment right here. This is super cool. Here's gonna be the battery. It is mounted underneath the frame right here. Has a little charging port. If you don't want it in the bike while it's charging, you can definitely do that. Check out the paint job though. I'm really liking the look. This one is like a gray, but it has like a ton of glitter in there, so it's really shiny. And then it has like a cooler design right here. It gets darker and darker to the black. There's the Lectric seat. This is the same seat that they use on all the other bikes. Well, it looks the same. It might be a little different. I don't know. Check out the rear rack. They're saying max weight is 60 pounds. It looks pretty beefy. This is pretty cool. They have like this little rubber protector, so when the chain bounces, it doesn't mess up the frame. Also, this bike has a Shimano tourney derailleur. That's pretty common. Also comes with the derailleur guard, and this bike has a 750 watt motor. Check out the rims too though. These are dope. It has these little cutouts right here. Tire size is gonna be a 26 inch by 4 inch fat tire. These things are freaking huge. The front wheel has a quick release, so it's super easy to install. Just need to loosen up this axle, pull it out. You can slide the front wheel right in. Next, we need to put on these pedals. They are going to be quick release, so all you got to do is just pop them right on. Last thing we need to do is put on this front fender, and we're good to go. All right guys, here's the bike. It is finally assembled. As you can see, we've already rode the bike. I let my cousin try it out the other day, and he said it was pretty dope, so I'm excited to test it out. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to ride it today. The weather is kind of bad, and I actually got invited to Arizona by Lectric. I'm gonna be attending the Overland Expo. It's like a outdoor camping expo. And then when we get back from our trip, then we'll finish this review. But I wanted to show you guys the overall look of it. This bike is freaking dope as hell. Look at how big those freaking tires are, first off. I'm for sure taking off this rear rack and fenders. Once I do that, I think it's gonna be super sick. Super excited to try it out. It has some pretty cool components like hydraulic brakes. This upgraded suspension fork is pretty dope. And I'm hoping we can get some decent power out of this motor. And if so, I'm highly gonna recommend this one. Stay tuned for that video. Next video is gonna be me flying to Phoenix, Arizona, and then driving over to Flagstaff to attend the Overland Expo. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, deuces like that.